Good morning, student. Today we read about square and square root. How to find out the square root by division method. So, repeated subtraction process and the prime factorization method we have already read in our previous video. So, how to find out square root through division method. So, suppose we find out the square root of 529. So, you have to understand how to find out this. You try to understand step by step. So first step 1, what number is given from right hand side, you just draw a bar above two numbers from right side. So this is right side. So from 9, 1, like this. If more rich numbers are there, two number you draw. If last one number means another line will draw at 5. Okay. Now you take it as a dividend. First number is 5. You just think a number that whose square is 5 or less than 5 means square. Suppose 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja square, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. But our first number is 5. So how 5 will come? So 4 and 9. So in between this 5 is present. So we take 2 2 ja 9, smaller number. 2 above 2 ja 4. Then you minus 5 minus 4 1. When you down the number, at a time 2 number will come down. Means here bar 2 number. In simple division when you do, we just down one digit number. But here we down two numbers. So 29 we down. Now you take as 29 as a your new dividend. So divisor is what? What quotient will come? This is quotient now. Double you take. What quotient come? You take the double. That means here 2 means again your new quotient will be 4. Okay. So 4. Then now see by which number multiplying you get 129 or less than this. So suppose 4 you have to put another number. Suppose I will put 3. 43 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 129 na, here 129. So same number, here 3, here. You see that by multiplying which number you get the new dividend. Again it is also new what? Divisor. So 43 now multiply complete 43 by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, and remainder is 0. The square root of 529 square root equal to 23. Okay. So first you just draw a bar from right hand side two numbers. Suppose another number I will write. Five 6 0 7. So it is 4-digit number. So what I said? To draw bars two numbers from right hand side. So first you draw 0 7, then 5 6. Same procedure. Then 5 6. You multiply 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36. Suppose 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. Same thing. Now it is 56. 2-digit number you at a time you will take. Okay. So 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. So you must take the 56 or less than 56. That means we will take this one. 7 7 ja 49. So here put 7, here 7. 7 7 ja 49. Minus it. 16 minus 9. How much? 7. Then 0. 7. Huh? So 707 means now here what? Again you put what I said, double of the quotient 14. So how much you put now? So now how? Again we multiply 7 to the 14. Here I said what you take? Double of the what? Quotient. So 7 to the 14. Now multiply this. Suppose 143 into 3 means here 3, here 3. How much? 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 1 is 3 1, 499. Suppose 144 into 4. That means if you put here 4, here 4. Suppose 4, 4. That means 4 4 is 16. Then 1, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, 1 4 4 is 4 1 is 1, 5. Then you try to 5. Suppose 145 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 22, 5 1 is 5, 7. So here 725, here is 556. So which is less than 707? So we take that 44. That means here 4, here 4. That is 576. So remainder is here 7 minus 6 1 and 10 minus 7 3 1. 131 is your here remainder. That means 5607 is not a perfect square. Okay. So if your question will come, the what number is subtracted from this to make a perfect square? That means what remainder will come? 138. You must subtract it from this. This type, such type question will be asked also. One number will be given. What number is subtracted to from that given number to make a perfect square, or what number is added to the given number to make it perfect square also. So it is remainder. So remainder means you must subtract from this. So 5607 minus 131, then 7 minus 1 6, and 7 5 minus 1 4, 5 4 7 6 is a perfect square. Suppose it is subtracted. Suppose question will go what number is added. So it is what? This one's what? 74 multiply 74, you will get the 5476. Okay. So what number added means, again you, what question will come? Next number. 74 next number 75. 74 next number is 75. You multiply 75 into 75. You find this square. 5 5 is 25. 5 7 is 35 to 37. 7 5 is 35. 7 7 is 49. 50, 51, 52. 5. So 5625 is a perfect square. So your number is given 5607. 5607 you subtract here. So 18 must be added to get a perfect square. 131 must be subtracted to get a perfect square. Now another two example, let's see. 1024, same procedure. From right side you take two numbers, but that is 10 means 3 3 is 9 means square. Same number you multiply. Okay. In division case, same number. 3 3 is 2 2 is 4 2 is like this. So 3 3 is 9 means remainder 1 24. Then what I said? Double. Okay. So what question comes? The double is 6. Now you take which number? Same thing. Here 4. Suppose I will multiply 2. Here 2. Here 2. So you put same number, but the new number is completely you multiply by 62. What number? 2 means 2 is multiplied by complete 62. So 2 2 is 4. 2 6 is 12. Remainder 0. The square root is 32. Here also same. From right side put two numbers. So 57. So 7 7 is 49. 8 8 is 64. So which one will take? Less than this? the first is 7 7 ja 49. Then you minus here 8 7 6. So 7 2 ja 14. Quotient double 14. Now how much? Suppose 6 we try. 6 36 na 6 6 ja 36. 6 4 ja, then 6 minus 6 to 8. 0. So 5776 perfect square, and its answer is 76. So you take the double. Suppose next step means, suppose another some numbers are there. Some numbers means you take double of. Suppose there is another 5 8 like this. Suppose then here how much you take? 76 double. What 76? 2 6 are 12. 1 2 7 are 14. 1 15. Okay. So complete 76 double. Another also procedure. What ones place you can add here. Plus 6 also. Okay. Here what number is there? You can add ones place. Otherwise completely quotients double will be here. So 1 means 6. Here also 6 6 12 15. Now you take which number? Okay, here 0, suppose 15. So this is not for you. Just I am saying you how to solve. If another 2 digits are there, then you take this double. Okay. Now, how to find out the square root of a decimal number in by division method. So decimal number also same thing. You put just from right hand side 2 numbers. Procedure same, no more difference. So 17 means 4 4 ja 16, then 1, you down 6 4. What here? What? Decimal means here also you put decimal. Okay. So same procedure. Quotient double 8. Then again how much? Suppose 2 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Answer 0. Complete. Your answer is 4.2. So suppose like this 18.34 85. That means 2 number you put. Here the same thing. When you divide 4 4 ja suppose 16. Then 2 you down 3 4 means point will be here. Okay. Suppose like this number 7 4 5 8. So 0.3787. Suppose 2 numbers. So after completing this you will put point. Okay. After completing this square root you put point, then you down 37. So a question may come that without division you say this how many digits this square root. Okay, without doing not you are asked to answer, but how many digits? Suppose here 64. 64 means division means what? Suppose if 2 digits u bar here also 2 bars here come 2 5 7 2 1. So how many bars? That number of digits the answer. That means here now square root number of digits is 1, here 2, here 3. 3 bars means 3 digit answer, 2 bar means 2 digit answer, 1 bar means 1 digit answer. So without doing division, if question will come, what number of digits come the answers. Then another question, a number is given to you, suppose 1989. So it is not a perfect square. So what already I have done one example, but from exercise this number is it is not a perfect square, but number must be subtracted from this to make it perfect square. So same, you first find out its square root to 2 numbers. So 16 means 4 4 ja 16, less than you take. So 3 at a time you down 8 9. Now what I said, second step, double of the quotient 4 2 is 8. Now which number you will take? Suppose 3 3 is here 9. Now we try 83 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 8 is 24. Let's try next number 84. Because we know that it is not a perfect square, so more we take. 4 4 is 16. 1 3 3 6. Suppose 85 into 5. 5 5 4 4 3 3 we take. So 5 5 is 25. 5 8 is 40 42. So this is 425. This is 336. Here 349. So less than we take. So which number? We must take this. So here 4, here 4. Okay, 84, 4 is 3, 3, 6. Okay, the remainder how much? 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 3, 5. So you must subtract 53 from 1989 to get a perfect square. So answer will be the remainder. Which number must be subtracted means 53 must be subtracted from this to get a perfect square. So another question is, must be added to get a perfect square. Suppose 6 4 1 2. What number must be added to this number to get a perfect square? So same thing, bar. Then here what? 8 8 is 64. Okay. 0 1 2. Then here what? Double 8. So we can't take 1 also. 1 means it is here 12. 81 हो जाएगा. Then 0 0. That means 0 12. So 80 is the number. So next number, what number added means I said already that after number, so square you take. Suppose 80, after number is 81, you take the square number. 8 by 8 8 1 81, then 81 81 is 8, 8 is 64. 1. So 6 5 6 1. When you multiply the after number square, then you minus this number. Procedure is 6 4. Second step, you minus the given number. 11 minus 2 how much? So it is a perfect square. So you minus this. So 149 you must add it. तो 6414 में 149 ऐड करने से ये नंबर आएगा 6561. So here is the procedure is you must add 149 to this given number to get a perfect square. Okay. Suppose another question is that a right angle triangle. Suppose it is a right angle triangle. It is 90 degree. Then it's AB and BC. Suppose A, B, C. AB equal to 6 cm. BC equal to 8 cm. Okay. Angle B is 90. So find out AC. So what we know that AB square plus BC square equal to hypotenuse. Okay. A right angle triangle. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That is 6 square 6. Then 8 square equal to how much? AC square, that is 36 plus 80 64 equal to AC square. 100 equal to AC square. So AC equal to how much? Root over 100. That is 10. So this is 10. So like this is it. So right angle is given, base is given, height is given. So how can you find out the hypotenuse? Base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. So I hope you understand how to find out the square root of a given number or a decimal number by using division method. So here only step by step you try to do, you can easily understand. So this is all about today's